For the convenience of our local people, I think most of us will be using our own local dialect. Please bear with us. And I don't see anyone who cannot understand Pome dialect as well. Everyone can understand, so I'm very happy. Ito hai tali thasho ta thavianu winter by the tali zusho by ya tali asopolomoy hanya ko la la mai so ha hello bele program hi lujumai ta. I request whoever is going to take part in the program to be brief and make the program a sweet and very warm one, so that we will have a very happy ending, very happy conclusion. Take a masho, sutu sule. Program te tsumjuma, program hai ito ngoluju tefia. Zo ito program hani hai. Putupu Wuba Juram, Working President NPF Manipur State Unit nu. No supuju poicha, Haneson boy. Lela veo poicha, Putupu Zalmon Maiko, the first Puma entrepreneur in F&B, FMCG and tech startups founder, Bistro Claytopia Bangalore. Sedupu, Putupu Losudiko, Honorable MLA 48, Mao Assembly Constituency, Government of Manipur. Zakoju Shepuna, Dr. V. Legender Pau, former MLA 47 Karon, AC, Government of Manipur, President, Mount Everest College Sanabati. Chipo Apoyo, Dr. Veo Pu, Associate Professor, Department of English, Delhi University. Program say coinse Sothia Poyo, Dr. Zetka Pashan Sasule, Soshura Ko, Invocation Alauddin Pastor, Makufe Baptist Church no, Kopo Pujusule, Losume, Pubakuman Baptist Church, Alas Sojuchi Do, Putupu Ilya Liba, Convener COC, Tiliha Nemeto Numasho, Shoko Populizaville, Sushura Akohe, Alauddin Pastor, Makufe Baptist Church, Nuko Popeo, Teshohe, Ikolama Vujuma, Pubakuman Baptist Church, Metonu, special number Hane Supulizaville, Asotisa, Sojuchi Do Hane, Ito Convener Ilya Libanu, Tilhene Taco Populizaville.
Roma Prislai, Akoslai. Shijuromai, Mopo Krista, near Tolopawe, near Pokshawe. Nivi Lesi, Nivichi Winning. Zo Pompamana, Mopo Renam Gopavi, Allah Aleram Devi, or Trade Pranaza. Pony to Tetile, Koshi Domani. To share to the Vipianing, to chat to the Vipianing, a power of you to Tetile. So W to Tetile, more Paul Crisa Johnny Jenny. Pom Damana, Tawler, at Zora Wiromai. Pom the Subiromai Mopo Jishu. Pom Damana Pony Crisa near Soju. Yeah, have a Jum of Ferran Yango in Sakani. A Mosakani Joko Tipian Roma, Jo the Tenjini. More fair than the good private, as Saju, Jubilee, Southern Christa Jaw. Boofer holding up of you, Mali, Manipani. Roma near Shangaro. Jubilee will shang up on you, Tapa Mali, Military Christa. Rakan Joe holding up of you, Matriza, Roma near shopping. Jo Jubilee. so take care, Chairperson Bekrita, it's a VP. Your chief apology, Losal you, friend of Pop and Lapani, Roma and Jenny, Vienning, Francis Generally, Jenny Krita, near Jibia Pani Jenny, via Barcelona. The pop is so more doing it out in so fair, so more, and the Roma, the pop is so many, never turning more doing from the palm via zero. Never lean the bottom body, soon jetting, juice surely a kaiko this, name Madosipio, name Saga Genesipio, Krista, near Botadani, Nicola Gini, much power shock away. Amen.
Pasha che mai t'avversa lo pucate sopolai.
Pune ille taie teje ke kohini, povele shimale samahine tepea, jo itaye dosope, satane chiwa, dosolo shimale kya, nela tubulo, rakiba buje mapa.
Vậy số yu tới thế hắn nói mai số yi salam pe boy ra ka so ra mai ka lo pon no e yo tới thế ha ve ve so da ba di yu ji pa ma da ha ka ve zo yu mai me ali so yu hai ra mai vu zo ne so da bài đi rồi mai suy sa kia xong rồi à hai chân là số ta phải lo bùa bùi như ngũ cú như phải lo bùa bùi mà đồ các lo bùa ấy dấu gì đồ bao mai ta nãy lấy mai đồ như hay về for right now tại you no so bu you hana hi hai ni me don ni kwa velo mai me jo bu mo te ko i do win na na hai mini hai bula moe di hai ni me don ya sa kiso e there's a velo bu van ni ra ka so mai te di ka lo po we it is so na hi ko hay về về đó bọn mình đang nói vậy nói bố tự nhiên đi đó lịch kỳ nói yêu bài mọi đi đó lịch kỳ nói yêu ngày lịch hè đàn yêu đi đó nhiều sẽ đi phụ số nhiều bùa bùi yêu lót rồi đi cô MLA 48 Mao Assembly Constituency Government of Manipur bữa nay đi đó nói quá về lâu nói cho bây giờ bữa cái lỗ bầu ấy, thế là ở hai trên là sao nè, cô đi tàu mấy nè bữa bữa chú, thế có senior politician à lý do bữa bữa chú, thế có đi tàu với advisor với số bữa bữa chú, đi tàu security Shepuna, Dr. V. Alexander Paul, former MLA, 47 Karon, Assembly Constituency, Government of Manipur. Bây giờ mấy value number one here, calore. It is cái đó nó với hàng cái số bùi hi, về tiền long lại na, số long lại na, thế thì là số cái số này, số cái bữa cái bùi mà à hai, cái đó nó số bùi bây giờ W. Obajoram, Working President, NPF, Manipur State Unit, porque lo powe. It is a coup. Mai pay na shua niyo. Ito về, le la về ở bây giờ. Zalmon mai ko. Mai hai na le mai, alisu จิโลอลิสุโมเฮอันนั้นสักบัวบุยมาBangalore city hinu business vai alisua pumai jainu fresh pumai entrepreneur in F&B FMCG and tech startup bistro Kletopia yani punu sakane pu vai business hai so bagat yani ida pumai te dini bai manu la lo te dini they pumai ni kwani competition ali my main lo so abu ka yuma vai shwa ni aga ni excel so bu yu ma na ida me ve lo pa ni bo bu kya lo pa we reza hai ni ta ve lo bu yu mai ku ke addressing so all ma bu yu ma mai te hai alle ke ni this organizing my to jahi ni Nemen da hoye pa salam so boy it is a true part living here you shi ngao you ala ka lo ngao you hana ha sa de le fo pa le dan so bla re ka so I to organizing my to jain ni hati de le so da ka de bo bu you le shi shwa ni I to she du pu so bu you I to we chief guest lo se de ko Poi ito organization to jain ni na le poi le bo puta ba fu pen kalo le it is a puta ba bo puta le ito we president pune pa na ko sa fu pen kalo le ma na introduction so pu ma bo bu ma te den so kya bu ba pu ma na hi allo so ni du so fe pe you ma ale di you ha Shaki so ni boy. Di tàu na na hai mute ba bu ma locally ni pa yu na ale di na ha ja da kon mute shwa de fo pa na ka lo le di ya sa ga pu yi request so boy a hai je na so di tàu za ke yu shepu na so bu yu Dr. V Alexander Pau 47 Karon Assembly constituency government of Manipur pu ta ba fo pa na ka lo le mai su bir chu po tele ha do tele fo si le re ku so na hi ku hi do we no su pu yu pu cha wo ba joram working president NPF Manipur State Unit po ta pa fo pa ka lo le it is a question here. It away. Konosubi le laveo picha Zalmon Michael, the first Pumai entrepreneur in F&B, FMCG, and tech startup founder, Bistro Claytopia, Bangalore. What about Fuban Galole? It is a Shonahiko, it away, Chevy Pusupa Bobuju, Angie Losher, President, United Naga Council, to Vemopara Nation Paisula, Rizako Shodako, as Kojon, former United Naga Council President, what about Fuban Kalola? It is a Shonahiko, Jojito, Jubilee. Jojito, Jubilee, so Abuhi, Chief Wave people like you, Chief Apo, Doctor Voyopo, what the Papa and Calole. Friend, friend. It is a I my mother high skip so better. Go Shona, go Pumain Naga Union President, either way, you chew, Trapa Bobu, you, who Tapafupa and Calole. It is a question. I go PNTM President Dalana Angam. What about Fupan Kalula? Chu sing out you, Alaka long out you, Hana Haini Akaizula, it is a Ngoma Bobu, you might have, might didn't go kill it, do you have the Metohi, Papa Sonny boy, it is a Jubu, I no Jubilee for an angle, no, when Nala Tavilla Bobu, you might take the new, no, where Nolo, do you have, might it is about Papa Soe. Mara highly Pilung, highly Bulure, Pomada Naga Council President, Pamana Naga Council President Sun Nakapa. Makapoyo. Ito pamana hinga mai pwede ma alabu pwede fane next section ko pwede boy ana. Pwede mo sila yu chu hatuli pwede mai hato pwede sule. Yu sing ngau yu alaka long ngau yu hai ni akai su sule kalore.
Tralo shwe ito Pastor Lodin Vechi Popivano Kuman Baptist Church Luso Mishwe Triva Shwe Tralo ito convener Laliba Telemanchatu the Popivan Tralo ito Zavu ito no hanei sponsor superju yave participate so buju mai to introduction su to so be ko na telin ha thefeno teno khaisu so le cholo the presidential address pui khochi do hana putupu do khotozo president pomanaga chadma me pomata hinu tele so le te shows ha hi hai jubilee chibai lo jubilee theme song hana telikopo pele zo vele cholo zo ito president ne telepoin boy.
Respected Chief Guest, Los Daiko, Honorable 48 Mao Constituency, Manipur, Government of Manipur, Honored Guest, Dr. V. Alexander Paul, President Mount Everest, Sanapti, and former MLA 48 Karon Constituency, Government of Manipur, esteemed Speaker, Dr. V. O. Paul, Associate Pastor, Associate Professor, Department of English, Delhi University, and our beloved Chief Host, Baba Joram, Working President, MPF, Manipur State Unit, Chief Patrons, Zalman Maiko, the first Pomai entrepreneur in LFB, FMGC, and tech startups, founder of Bistro Cletopia, Bangalore. Kojon, former president, UNC, respected office bearer of PNU and PNTM and your colleagues, chairman and village authorities of all the revenue villages of Pamata, church leaders, distinguished dignitaries and invitees, and my colleagues and all the delegates of PNTMP. A warm greeting to you all and welcome to the Platinum Jubilee celebration come 40th sports meets of Pomai Naga Zudamai Me Pamata. Today, we gathered under the banner of monumental occasion of the Platinum Jubilee of the PNTMP with the befitting themes honoring the past, embracing the future. 75 years, a journey marked by resilience, service, and unity. We mark this day not just in ceremony, but in a profound gratitude as we stand on the shoulder of our pioneers and our past leaders who guided us to this day. Every achievement is a milestone we celebrate today is a reflection of their hard works, sacrifice, and stewardship. Their vision continues to guide us, their values continue to inspire us, and their spirit continues to illuminate our path forward. To our pioneers and past leaders, we offer our deepest respect, heartfelt gratitude, and a promise the legacy you created will continue to shine for generations to come. And we are grateful to our chief guest, honored guest, esteemed speaker, and dignitaries for gracing this event with your presence. We are honored to have you with us today, and your presence adds immense value and encouragement to this event. Your unwavering support and goodwill have brought us much delight in this auspicious day. Your presence strengthens our resolve and inspires us to higher standard in the Jubilee celebration. Your support and encouragement add inspiration and dignity to the Jubilee celebration. We are truly privileged to have all of you among us today. To all the delegates, let us make this Jubilee a vibrant expression of unity, participation, and collective pride. Let us showcase our achievement, strengthen our bonds, and inspire a new generation to carry a mission forward even greater enthusiasm. And as you stand on the threshold of this tournament, a moment filled with anticipation and determination, I urge you to step forward with confidence, courage, and unshakable beliefs in your abilities. Play with heart, play with integrity, respect your opponents, trust your teammates, and stay true to the value that defines you. Winning is a goal, but excellency is a habit, and it is a pursuit of excellence that will set you apart. To all the participants, may the 48th Sports Meets provide you with a memorable experience, new friendship, and opportunities to showcase your abilities. Wishing you all the best. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to you all to the Platinum Jubilee and Sports Meets of PNTM P. Pomota. Thank you.
Traloi to President Sutosa Chipo Pevano, Itomem Te de Juno, Voiler Juno, Ala Puvi Vision, Alana Limeto Juno, Sutosa Povin Tralorama Pasha Pisolo, Jubilee Chibilu, Sumudza Vehi, Hehali Tsup Usule, Jubilee vi lo su tse de lo zo kola committee me tono tele zo tele pole de su da bu plu zo vele.
Hello, velo bu buju ido pomata, I'm so insa. Ido le la veo puja we. Go do tele ni me do yi bo ba ngo bu su le. So ne se thau na na ido Putupu Zalmon Michael, the first Pumai entrepreneur in F&B, FMCG and Tech startup founder, Bistro Clytopia, Bangalore. Good afternoon. It is my privilege to introduce a visionary leader, a pioneer from Northeast India, and one of the first Pumai entrepreneur specializing in F&B and FMCG food tech startup from the region, Mr. Zalmon Michael. With over 25 years of experience in the food and beverage and FMCG industry, Mr. Zalmon has built a remarkable career driven by innovation, research, and deep commitment to community development. His professional journey spans across multiple leadership and consulting roles, where he has contributed extensively to end-to-end product development, business conceptualization, enabling brands to bring ideas to life from blueprint to market. He has held key positions including founder of Avan Mast Private Limited, an initiative focused on tapping into the vast and unexplored market potential of Northeast India. Project consultant at Superfood, where he has been leading research on superfood combinations, processed beverages, package standard, and new product launches, and has been associated with more than 20 other brands in F&B industry. Beyond business, Mr. Zalmon Michael dedicated to empowering youth, bringing the founder of Avan Mast, an organization focused on skill-based education, entrepreneurship training, and building a strong startup culture in Northeast India. He is also the founder of Bistro Clytopia, India's first paint-your-own pottery cafe, established in 2004, a space where art, hospitality, and community meet. Where sets Mr. Zalmon apart is not just his professional expertise, but his commitment to uplifting his people. He strongly believes that growth must be shared, and he remains approachable and open to conversation with students and aspiring entrepreneurs, and seeking guidances from anyone. If anyone wishes to collaborate, learn, or take their ideas forward, he warmly welcomes you to reach out, because he believes that the real changes begin when opportunities are accessible to one and all. Chu chupapa buju hato hai to chu pomatawe PNTMP we 75 platinum jubilee lela veo pucha super buju hanawe ko dautali mai mo so hi velo buju ma to hin saka ha chupa ngobo ni we kalore.
Jubilee Chibin Lohana Trilusule. This was here Kola Maitono. Limited arrangement and Suda Bublozavele. Jubilee theme song and a super usule. Jubilee we Chibilu theme song hana lyrics and composer J Sapuno Ramai. Lyrics and composer hai J Sapuno Ramai Nusue. Music producer Trio Gabriel Pau. Trio Gabriel Pau Nusue. Guitarist Doku Duck and LS Kebu. Hamilton Sasube Tralusue. Ju ito theme song hana Trilusule.
Hello. Hello, check.
Check.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello. Check.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Taraju ipau mata ashra.
Pomata, Tuviju, Jitashi, Lituvi, Jutashi, Suriwi, Jutashi, Sadovi, Jutashi, Hasuju, Jitashi, Hangiju, Jitashi, Ohe, 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 Ohe,
Color.
Ku share vina so rama june bele ma shra la hisa ita lo kemen ta sa ne welcome sha we de chu ita ko la ja ne ita shwe le nim zi sha bu ju ma hai se le ita ju fer bam shi se le de ne ra ra ka ne jo she du se pe bu ju ita ja lo sa da ko MLA 48 Mao Assembly Constituency Government of Manipur về bây giờ ít tàu ra ít tàu nhát tí thì bị xử là để nên ra nữa, và ít tàu Khmer Union Chairman vì hiện nay nhát tí thì rồi sự sự biến vì là ít tàu Khmer Union Chairman, bảo là quan nữa, như vậy nên nhà sự sự biến vì là từ lệ bút sa này ít tàu bảo hạt là cái ít tàu sẽ thay vì ít tàu MLA ra tàu khỏi, để nên phải hàng lại bị rồi ha, anh nhát tí thì nên asai như anh phải ngọc bị xử là cả hai trên là sao nữa, giờ son professor bây giờ ít tàu share dupu Vic Alexander Paul, former MLA 47 Karong, SC Government of Manipur, President Mount Everest College Senapati, về ít tàu nhát tí thì liền ngó xí là dùng giá nữa sao nữa, hello brother, ít tàu chairman hiện nhà receive bên bên là, để tụi lệ bút san này ít tàu program mà ta hiện ya, thao thảm mà về video ra. Dr. Alexander, Petra Lopov, asa trên là sao nữa, giờ vụ vì nó sẽ bị chụp picture, và bao giờ ra working president NPF Manipur State Unit, anh ấy đó nhát tí thì liền ngáo là, đến đây mà na, đó station paran pa, nhát tí thì liền research bên bên là, dù không mà pra hal là hạt pe, còn lại tháp bị chụp mà na, đến đây dù không mà họ về đủ số nó phải pin làm mua, anh ấy nhát tí thì liền you come phải trao lô ra là phải bằng ngõ bí sao sẽ về để sao sao đi đón nhà này phải bin với lại trao lô xe này ít đồ lô cái máy đón bia trên hai khai số này
po mai naga zu de mai mai pomata hai da ka su shu le va su shu ho va su shu da ka su shu le de to hai da ka hau shu de to hai ito Dr. R. Haba Pao, former president po mai naga zu de mai mai okay. Hane skit so trouble le. Ito asa chido greetings putupu je dalono angam president pomanaga tsudme mainu kelusule te shohi hai reki PNTM pomata poichamaito jushi ngoju. Felicitation of the former presidents. Hameto hai putupu Dominic Azuna te isnu jito president we greeting senate say de lozo kotel popul zo vela
rai ka sua jito supiju ma pau kalo pawe Sthepaya Buju, Chairperson, Ino, Dr. J.K. Pashra, Associate Professor, New, Telepivane Kalashore. From the office of the Pumai Nagatsudamai Me, PNTM, I bring a warm greetings to everyone gathered here at Kumai Tungan Village for the PNTM Palmata 75 Platinum Jubilee Session. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our chief host, Sri Woba Joram, Working President NPF Manipur State Unit, Tsukushabju, Chief Patron, Mr. Zalman Michael, the first Pumai entrepreneur in FMCG and TICS startup founder, Bistro Claytopia, Bangalore. Tsukushabju, Zutithe, 75 Platinum Jubilee Session he, Chief Guest Subire. Los Deco, MLA 48 Mao Constituency, Government of Manipur. Tsukushabju, honor guest, Dr. V. Alexander Paul, former MLA 47 Karong SC, Government of Manipur, Alea President, Mount Everest College, Snapati, Tsukushabju Doko, Toz President, Pumai Nagatsudmai Me Palmata, and his esteemed colleagues, Ilya Liba, convener, the 75 Platinum Jubilee Central Organizing Committee, and the various committees. Tsukushabju Jubilee Speaker, Dr. Veopu, Associate Professor, Department of English, Delhi University. Tsukushabju Special Guest, NC Loho, President, United Naka Council, UNC, Ino Yasko John, former President, United Naga Council, UNC. Ino Dr. R. Haba Paul, former President, PNTM Pamuta, retired Director, Sericulture, Government of Manipur. Alea Ino P. Aka, former President, PNTM Pamuta, retired Joint Director of Education, Government of Manipur. Sukishwa Buju Ino R.B. Pani, President, Pumai Naga Union and his esteemed colleagues. My utmost respect to the 6 federating units, presidents, and colleagues of PNTM Pamuta, Sukishwa Buju, the Chairman, Secretary, Village Authority, Kumai Tungam Village, Pastor, catechists, deacons, senior leaders, and all the distinguished guests. It gives me immense pleasure to learn that the Pumai Naga Sudamai Me Pamuta PNTMP is gearing up to celebrate its 75th anniversary together with the 40th sports meet, which will be held from 8 to 18 December 2025 at Kumai Tungam Village, under the inspiring themes, honoring the past, embracing the future. On this momentous occasion, I extend my heartfelt greetings and warm congratulations to the PNTM Pamuta fraternity, past and present leaders, members, and well-wishers. The 75th anniversary marks a remarkable milestone in our collective journey, a testament to the unity, vision, and steadfast commitment of our pioneers who laid the foundation of the Union with unwavering faith and dedication. Their sacrifices, wisdom, and courage continue to guide us as we move forward and in preserving our identity, promoting education, and strengthening the bonds of brotherhood among our people. The sports meets, which coincide with this grand celebration, reflects the vitality and strength of our younger generation. It not only showcases the spirits of sportsmanship and healthy competition, but also remind us of the importance of disciplines, teamwork, and perseverance in building a stronger and more progressive community. As we commemorate this historic event, let us take a moment to reflect on our shared history, honor the legacy of our forebears, and renew our commitment to uphold the ideals and values that have shaped our community. May this celebration serve as a source of inspiration to all, encouraging us to embrace the future with hope, unity, and determination. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to the organizing committee, village hosts, and all members of the PNTM Pamuta for your tireless effort and dedication in making this celebration a reality. May the Almighty God bless this forthcoming event with success, joy, and peace, and may His divine guidance continue to lead the Pumai people towards greater height of unity and prosperity. Long live PNTM Pamuta, long live PNTM. J. Dalunangam, President, Pumai Naga Tsudumai Me, PNTM. Kalushore. Tralo Tore, Zidavi Jubilee, chairperson no, Kilia Pivano. Mfet Tilia Trakwe Ramungu, Hinu, Zida Pamatama Natare, Pikakasiki Aliri Rataro, Zo. Jita pamatama na tao, mferem nyam ngu. Atsu matau nu, pioneer matau nu, ji pamatama na tao, mferem nyam ngu zunu, zo havela buzu, ji poma na tao. Holo hello nu, mso avasa su tao tao libwe, ho hanu civil society hivi. Government sector ही भी और private sector ही भी जिप्पो में नाता हो जो सीधे पामता में नाता हो है ना आवास बुझ में मत ताली बोए सुस थावानु प्राय रिना सुपिया बुझु जी पामता में नाता हो फिर रैनिया मुंगो जुनु PNTM पामता राना organization li form so ana a powerhouse to provide leadership to the Pomai, especially Pomata. Ji Pomata man Natore. Massamazunu, Mashelenu, Panu Adua Solisuru Moshi, Panu Mashelan, Pachipola, Mashelan, Avasolerano, Sopia Buzumatazo, Jinezo, Tavila Buzu, Vakunu, Zo, Jidahi, Shedu Supia Buzu, Jidavi chief guest, Allah. Zo, zita shela vela abuzu, zita vi President Pomai Naga Union, Allah, zita vi President PNTM and his colleagues, atutu zita Pamatama nasib basitifa. We all are a host. Zo zita Pamatama shelana, chief patron su boy, chief host su boy, azo vi special guest su boy, samata alili address moshira. Ji Pamatama natauza. Zo, mfi ram nyam ngu, vi Jubilee, num nozihi aka ja vela jepi, shvanu mam so finaza, talochia pawwe, rara khana, jito, mfi telia trakwe ram ngu, nufa mfi telia trakwe rara ha, ti kola, jo jito shela vela more, lemga shere, lemja shere, the founding and the pioneer of Jidavi, PNTM Pamatamato, late M. Modoli Kumai, Sani Dasher Vemai, Pausun Piamai, Shisher Apau Smai, Sova Aro Shimai, Ngon Teso Jemai, SK Husupau Saranamai, PH Kaifaspo, Puba, Hamatonu, Jitavi, former President Matawe, Jita Pamatamata Vanurana, bearing the torch of PNTM Pamatamata, Namato, Teku, Vipramata Vanurana, Hamaton Lenusha, Supiana Cho, Zo, Jitavi 75 Golden Jubilee, come 40 years, sporting Veluja, Ajiru More. Di pomeli besi di fa di pota tore malama vi tile besi di fa tinu mate finu malama vi buhinu ala sara minik ahali zita vi pioneers meto zita vi former president meto vanu minik ahali silent prayer siblese. I ask all the congregation to join me in a silent prayer for 2 minutes. Thank you. Aha, China, so no. Pomai Naga Union Mtausu, Zo Nalisha Boba, Zipamataman Natonu, Luciana, Nilatonu platform Pisivanu, Zoji Puma Namsusu, Zipomatama Natauhia, Nilatovi 75 years, Golden Jubilee, Allah 40 years, we Atrisu Sports Meet Hana, Nilaji Poma Msusu, Nilato Pomatama Natauhia, greetings Hana Piabwe. History is not just the past, it is the foundation on which every generation stands. Jo, Zita, Jinuju, Mishenu, Mali, Alinu Kupile, Zita, the former President Matanu, Zita, audience Matahunzere, Go Allah Sarana, Zita, organizing committee, Allah, PTM Pomata, Executive Council Matanu, Nilata Vanurana, Asa Sana, Nilataure, Na Chutile Soda Boy, Jinuju Chopapile, former President. PNTM Pomata Matanu, Honzuhika La Sarana. Oh, Nilatana Kokuche Soda Boy. And I also would like to invite to do the honored Jitavi, Zo, She Adusupia Buzu. Sir Deco, Los Deco, Honorable MLA 48, Karong constituency, Zo Jitavi, She Adusupia Buzu, Hanapan Nasa Pilasa Sole, Jitavi, former President Meta. Jinuju Choba Pisole, Nilton Honzuhinico, line large Rana, Nakuche Pila Boeka, Labin Tralole. 1963-64, Dasu Deho, Maiba, Zidam Kimekinu, Dasu Deho, Nideki Busa, Nibuhina Lara Hako, Zida organizing committee, Ala Executive Madam Nali Pila Sisawe, P. Aka Tungam. Shani Tunjoy, Dr. R. Haba Saranamai, L.D. Daiho Maiba, Reverend L. Asuli Tungam, R.P. Dana Saranamai, B.R. Lale Kauti, Kito Maiba, M.K. Joseph Tunjoy, Shani Abel Saranamai, Sana Husu Tungam, Yas Rokulana Lemai, Didi Romeo Maiba, Ngona Puba, Nilatonu Juku Wabisimatanu, Hai Honsuhiko Alatora, organizing committee Mato, Ala PNTM executive Matano Niltore, Nakuchesoda the boy Nilton Kupi, Pintalola. Pioneer Matavi, Kihi Lilema, K Levy, Nama Levy, Pioneer Matavi, the Tejitavi, President Matchelenu, Tala Tabu Buzaba, Kihi Lilema, Tuchinama, Punama, Fenama, Taravipina, Kofipin Tralole. President sa Buzumata Rakushia Dipono Tala Taba Kihin Lemelu Kochu Honsun Kopi Pioratu organizing committee executive council Matananial request a boy. Sir, you can also take one photo together. No? Photo session on the middle. Thank you. Tralotore, to the former President Pioneers Matore, acknowledge to Dina Kajusule. Thank you once again and happy Jubilee 75 years of PNTM Pamata. Thank you.
Traloshude, by 1950s, our leaders there visioned and were celebrating their vision today. Thanks to all the president, alive and dead,
May God bless you all. Cho asha vipajana shishahana ito pau pusavju dasu deho oldest surviving president hinu trilusula puhe 1965 president su de puhe chuma pore kyali 19 years tan bwe puve ashana pulusula puve ne tse diluzu li cholarve hapaju souvenir hana yan jisu no president PNC no tele hana populuzu vela chui to po tele paiso
Supi mapo kalo sore ti the với thi pe da have na với the pe junu ramai po sore जो नहीं शेड्यू सुपिया बुयू जखवा बुयू ना लोस देखो एमएलए मो 48 एसी जखोयू हिनु शेबुए आहाय चनासुआ जखो हिनु शेसुपिया बु ना Dr. V. Alexander, MLA 47, Karong AC, Sakhoju Songobwe, Tavelwa Buyu, Has Hangome Titi, Sadwa Buyu, Mana Titi, Sakhoju Hinu Loabwe. No hana we donu pipa soda buyu joposua buyu maito kalo powe leluhua buyuma zama lie zakhoyu yahinu ye no hana hi the hapayu zapa kuyu tefa ya velu na shwa dabure Atsahinu Pume Pomotana Meto Hey Jukute We are Sango Shule do you leave the chocolate ways so we sure they wish sure Do Rekio Jitilehio have you play from Aliasulu Habere. Have you whole Aliasulu Habere? Kipatinu, Pomota Student Union, ta the new shot, the shot, Suabere. Yitilio, have a vessel postulate to you. Ringo vetiluma, la rechacho paluyo, la rechacho la recha, la ruhe, shohala laho, kula laho, popaluyo, manama subway, da tikute, bobe. So we sure have the, follow you. Hanu, sorry, Tapobe. Pumana, Pomata, the meme, da Sapaluya Shumi here, we sure, Carlos sure. Hazenu, Wipua, Dupua, Shaluronu, Yi, Somalisua, Jo, Zinu, Ramazikua, Habile. Zinu Hablo, I had a high, 哈尼来飞飞没，那么呢，让么一个就好那一个，我宝马达那，宝马那，宝马达那，只有不嘛，我一个嘞，你们都那个，你可能那边只包卡表，就一下就知道报道了嘞。有侬还那跳，有侬还那跳呢，一不买宝马达那，把韩为韩度收入跳。接来，he nu han veli pa solo theo. Han so ta tanani via povelo theo. Mama su va sayu he nu via pume pomata mai pi khoyu mai pa palo theo. 现在。这为这都不了，给那哪把说不有毛们，好们马上，阿俩过世不有没对的，这为老他36条，这么着走路啊，这么着，以后哪说了哦。我只考我们俩没从这小老从哪的，这里不说伊拉人都不给，这个说的里，这把说宝宝哎 ，think the right, do the right, and stand upright。哦，宝马达那宝马那，这么着就对的喽，这么着是对的喽，是等于是皮革不走的喽，哪走喽？对哪还？老走路跳，你那还一下边不嘞？一手也啊喂，包不嘞？现在来包么的包嘞？哦，一得了哟 ，Silver Jubilee 收入么嘞？这是 Golden Jubilee 收入么嘞？如果那么多你们都说不说嘞，这不说嘞，干了包嘞，那怎么来？得了是哈那么来怎么的呢？干嘛呢？来没包嘞？哦，没多，是不包，都是我呢，都不得呢。他说那都，也是阿肉，也特色，是我说呢，有你还呢，三年大事，高能老师，包出呢，到人家是哈有。知道的人，如果哦，到底没得人呢，那个把忙我那打肉就是做，我们当然那得人那路么嘞，就是就哈的，有挖沙油，那还不嘛呢？有那天呢不嘛，还为啥的哟？艺术家啊为不买不嘛的买那。Hinu mai pa ngolu theo ka tibe kalu sore
Tralo shode ito pu po sabju ramai pasha pisule jo dozo ito souvenir release hana tili busule
Ji ngolon no son no pomai pamata naga council we president new jo tete akka December Q pote ha Please bear with me for the interruption. Ji ngô lo nó sơn nó bao mà ta nó cả council vì president nhiều dấu tích thế à có December Q bộ thế hai cái ngầu bao mai naga cho tụi mai mẹ bao mà ta bộ ra nè ngầu ta còn đâu như nó lý cho larve hai na ramaji new hapa pa boy cho chứ mai với si pa ma ramai ha ngolo theo kalore
trong là số đây ít souvenir hana release lu đây cho ít putupu wo ba juram hanenu chi treju sule chi poju hana no su puju pecha hanenu chi treju sule sona chohi hai lu away no tu pa paiva ramai nu lu su pulu zovela ito ja juram ta ko tini acknowledgement with the polo le ja na su da ta ko pulu zovela
Praise the Lord. You know, so be you Rama Jehovah to lopawe. Zoti te tilehi pomena pomata meto mperenya mongo nom noi ti te. You know, so be po Rama Jehovah ne ti te VP wane. Ti se tile VP wane. Bua VP wane ne. Pamatamanya, pomanya, kinanya pa, ida mauma, ma dede kinya verbu met pe de li pa ve azait li piva de ida ra khara me jo wa ta lo pa we. Zoji ida ve ti le ha, ba je kiro, ba je kwa da kiro ki so ta la yi ha. Mfe ra nyam ngau pra re, ta ngo fa bà chị quẹt đó về lại tiệm mà rồi, so anh nhà phò số đại thì phải thì lẽ số xe phải nó wa, thì lẽ cho bờ phải wa, cho xe này ha, vì sẽ tự ra rồi đấy thì lẽ số xe gì phải lại mà rồi, so mình phải ra nhầm ngõ bà ấy, như ha, như tàu đi phò水mà ha, mình phải chấp phụ bà ấy, như à lý sự ngõ wa nhé. Hai mẹ tao nhớ bây giờ quay đa, thấy đi ye, kỹ thuật của bùa đại ye, cái nào bị vấn đề về mẹ được phê, à lý lẽ cho bây giờ ra rồi sao, mẹ được phê à sao giờ, nằm那边找路来，第二节里帮我喂，就说一到，帮我咱们拉人们们呀，有么到，不然年们我那么还那些还，若是呢。买里的包括些不地里呢，好多外来呢，啊，铁路哇 ，chief gas of honor， 去包的不是，对吧呢？在包头嘛，一到人事条，一到啥怎么筹备就，一到包嘛家，包嘛家那个 council chairman secretary， 后来你还会搞哩，后来就一到。包嘛家，现在啥阿个有说特别就老人的们呐 ，chairman secretary， 你还会搞哩么到？后来就一阿里包人老婆一道，就一道啥，不就些都是比如 MLA， 后来到 ex MLA guest of honor， mà ít tàu sẽ là ta li do UNC president ex UNC president mà chú tàu ít tàu li bao gồm xe bao nhiêu na thì ở đây mà na tàu li bao gồm cái phải gì bao hồ lô rồi do ví dụ do về lâu bây giờ do số tiền bây giờ do have về giờ bao nhiêu tiền mà na làm được mà na là youth mà tàu nhớ tàu nhớ sao bây giờ anh ha trả lo bao sao do nhớ tàu nhớ have về do khu mẹ của dân nhớ do bao nhiêu tiền mà na một phần ra nhà mình ngon nó na ha do hay như bù lê ya do khu mẹ ra trong chợ khu mẹ kia về bù bì vào na bao nhiêu tiền mà na tàu trả lo bao ấy do khu mẹ na à lẽ rồi họ bữa mà do sau về tiền mà về tiền mà tàu li bữa mà là anh à do ít bao nhiêu tiền mà ra sao xem mình xia do bao bù giờ sau đó bia tàu sau đó bia bù ju khu mẹ na trả lo bao ấy do gì hay chú cả lại hay à dù hay và bao giờ làm như vậy do gì hay do vụ phải ra nhà mình ngồi nó hay này nó sẽ bùa đuna ya rồi phá thì bị hết rồi trả lo tới do à dù rồi thì bị vậy do dù rồi thì hết rồi bị đuna ya rồi phá thì bị anh nói chuyện là à lẽ là họ khana sao bùa rồi nên nhớ đó gì thế nào mình chỉ bảo thâu ý là hay gì mà mình sửa nha về lâu mà đó nha bảo ngon ngon vậy nhớ đó ngon vậy cái đó thâu giờ phá rồi sẽ thâu liền đi rồi là đi vào cái chủ của phải có khai ra đi rồi đi rồi chủ đạo đi lấy vào thâu lại ra chỗ mà ý cho làm sao gì rồi nên cho hay về cái chủ đạo đủ để biết được với mà chơi là hay gì mà phá hồ mà sao họ bữa mà là rồi nên ít tao mình sẽ về lâu mà gì để nó mìnhจะbảo bình nó trả lời là sao gì đi bảo ngon vậy để chú này nó à vì chủ đạo là ta nhá do bảo nó thì bị cái chỉ có đi lấy bảo ít đặc cả hay nhá thì bị vậy nên chú chỉ có la bù đấy lịch sử bây giờ bảo mà cho mình nào sao mà cho mình sao sẽ họ lo như vậy là bây giờ sẽ du pu là sẽ du pu sa về yêu sẽ du pu vì calit mà tao do để cái như vậy là bây giờ father mà pastor mà để cái như vậy tao bảo mà cho chairman secretary ta liên về là bây giờ tao bút tao chân lại như tao mới được về trong chùa salam chùa giờ chú hay có những chuyện chỉ để lý bảo khai bên ngoài giờ giờ như tao vì program hay rồi thì đi ra bao nhiêu naga giờ thì mình bao nhiêu ta platinum jubilee ala 40 sports meet hay là hi giờ host đến như vậy là bura giờ nó ở đủ sớm nói hay là hi hay như tao vì đại thời điểm này nó chỉ bị này hi như thế thì bảo tao này rồi khai sao lại chỉ bị vậy ta lo cho所以这口到一半说买到了怎么筹标要落头的年到呢原来就说也可乐说个的20么买可乐因为年到为还呢哈但呢为到了一到 program 啊 pro 什么呢am做那不还当做不到的还也呢把我了啊啥些嘞什么的呢就一到过来人们到呢包个手个走了因呢repeat nó chỉ bảo nó bảo thôi lại mà ra anh chú ý nhá giờ đi lấy bảo bia rồi sao rồi bảo mình nào bảo mà cha mình nào rồi hay rồi thì về ít đọc bảo mà ít bù mà ít bảo mà ít做人嘛ít啥嘛rồi hay ít đọc có bùi gì mà nhỉ tại mình老是bùi rồi tại mà đó nhớ tại ra bùi mà về future ít gì mà bao nhiêu chú số đó bùi rồi nhà mà đó bao nhiêu tao mà đó bao nhiêu họ ví dụ này à số đây thì chú rồi nó phải ra nhà ngồi bảo rồi yên tâm nói hay nào hay rồi chỉ tao bên mà đến nó à vợ ví dụ bị nhớ trả lời rồi à chỉ tao số này sẽ tao có rồi ít gì mà tao hay
非牛不怎么吃豆啊，是不那些，不牛非怎么吃豆啊，是不那些，非不的人啊，猪皮了，豆伢就这么个鬼豆比那些，一到豆伢就这么到人，非怎么吃不怎么吃是那些，一到伢就这么人，自然么怎么吃那些，猪么怎么吃那些，肉么怎么吃那些，自然么到牛。土么到历史说那些，肉是那还一到北门呢，宝马店门呢，啊上面穿么一到毛门呢，代代跟为楼么到一还那包的嘞，要一上面一直呢这一步么不些毛肉嘞，一到谁嘞，要一上面啊这呢啊这不一直来么搞的，要还为了一不些毛肉嘞，要啊上面搞的，一上宝马的 ground 还有 football 啊这一上追来么。要还一啥搞不些么？因为老不嘞，是这就不然呢。一到人搞不拿不，一到人搞小费拿不，没道理还，一到的跑头啊大一没不嘞，大一的那个一到呢，抓不一嘛，一到多少个开到么？大一的大嘞，我的小一几没到，一不拿没到，包没拿，包没点没拿，还不一没到还，啊知道，人来到，人到。不到，要一到这里来里少，巴里少，快十来罗里少，说了，肉一到，啊这里的跑头打出来，的跑头打么这肉一到不的来给你，呀，你到这8小时来些，你到啊这8小时说来些，一呢一到为了不买说来些是怪手哎，说我等你说，一包买点买呢，还为了不买到。要一到买的白的里呢，要一到小比上面，一到嘛包家好包托，哎一到啊妈们等你到为了特别一到包这些克里斯托托，要大概嘞 Christmas、December 要下嘞，这些克里斯托明年为的天那么难嘞 ，Christmas 一个，要还拿吃饭呢，个到底给家那这些呢，给家特别。宝马店面呢，要代代给呢，要还为快拿住不？这些克里斯托年那是么嘞？买条白买里高的，联系上那什么啊？条好到嘛？买条白水啊，么搞么样啊？沙发，要这些克里斯托明年为拿一道瓦些个么嘞？哎，是听说吧？么复书2026到一地里个，一档复书，这书列书啊，啥就啊瓦就。阿里里怎么抽就，阿里里吸就啊说吧，不会说说不来些，所以的啊最大一手嘞，40啊不人的tournament不一为啊最大一手嘞，还等于说的啊最大么子热搞电影还，包买呢，过来还你做喂，要接家设备喂，要一到为还把它手术比嘞，哎要一到伢们老人倒不嘞。伢们老人都让黄四小黄微小不嘞，一搞旁边这一点不，人还拿接了，啊那个学生里不嘞，个周日你到啊啥啊来在这里不过来，所以还不搞的还，一到买条白的里呢，哟，人家四川呗，买来没做手，人澳川呗，买来没做手，啊这呢还拿四hin，啊这呢还白四hin，啊这呢还拿澳hin，呀里怎么抽了，买条白。啊，这皮也来哈，这皮也来哈，快说来罗里啊，沙发要弄是手来些也没得飞行，一帮我喂，等你说你别个老人呢，我说我飞飞那说要报门那还把高嘞，你要手发大毛些，要门白呢，老人的啊，主要在这里呢，好飞飞那说要一到家嘞高嘞，一到小包小大毛些。地里来呢，到时候我说我西隆去呢，印巴去呢，迪马布去呢，塞纳巴蒂去呢，若一到洛克来呢，他呢到时候是喂，到时候以为一到还高嘞，没加嘞阿维那说法，一到我复书2026法，我说我买饼都没有说有，宝马店门呀，宝门呀，手里些就可哎。我等你说买的白的哩，啊啥哇，我表买了个点林下说， 也非不掏大嘞呀呢还呢非我个主嘛说来么些也还不的那个啊非不这人嘛图嘛牛来不嘛到把你不要还呢也把你嘛并点着把嘛点嘛水了呢也拉了送为那谁拉了送为百岁转为那谁转为百岁ไม่ผู้สมวินาเสไม่เฟสมวิเบเสเลราหานาเสไม่ฮอปีนาเสไม่เลชิสนาเสเนี่ย是ไม่的เฟสนา是表ไม่มีสิ่งสนาจีปาวเวรปาเรตากอริไม่的เฟ是ไม่บุมโซเลอาสานมจัลมัวเต้าหาโซฮาเลมัวอาราโรเลมัวเลคาเลมัวอาสามัยทำไม่ดิจิจิโซจิจิอาเซเลมัวอันลิงอบาเลมัว阿里来来西啊，周围啊，拉麦拉套，到这么拉呢，要一报名呢，报名拉呢就我拍了报名 program 是不的，不 English program 是不的，不，我来这么到 English 呢报我呢，报的 English 啊，呢报了呢，第二下报头毛哎，那就是报了是都报家嘛，我就没到了，什么的呢？要一报名呢，一到报名点名呢。为了为么到时候，还能12叫人们到时候，还能打完了，今天回家了，牛了回去，一到时候呢，一到小兵包了拖，一到里西啊，周围啊，拉麦拉套，为所以买手来呀呢，他不呢包围呀呢，你当包围干哪家分啊？为那是发达嘞，人包围干为那啥你到分啊？一到买的分呀为那是发达嘞，什么的呢？要一到为。जो बिली न है ना जो चेरे ये नो से दो अट्रे दारे ही हैं ये तो पम त्या में ना अट्रे ले वे ले में तो जो अट्रे में सो मुझे ची पौ तो ले वे पूरो जो तो ले जरे में जम तो तो ले तू में लिसी तो ले आसा में था में लिसी ले अली लिए वे जो वे पाउने अट्रे ले ये तो है वे मोदो फुटबॉल अट्रे में फुटबॉल ग्राउंड है ले इतने की football na tele lo be do ground le ire asame tele asame khole lo mo do sna so lo tre bi no to lo le football na ten vi be goal le tre lo no shi le football na ten vi te re goal le mo te na nya te na train vi te na tu vi te na tam vi ko dam vi a train vi ya tu le sta tre bi no to lo le football a tre te le ki sa so te biere me jazz me to me lia so de so tu ye la ha me cham zo so to bi no to lo le volleyball a train me da so ve to ye basketball a train me so ve to ye e jo marathon tu avare me so ve to ye me cha ko zo hin le ra ha ti pa ku tro zo pravie ve to ve ji pe ka pravie ana araro le khayu asame me asame le dia jinvi le here so ji ya wa so ya ji ye pau me na pau ma ta me na ve lo me hi pau ta ko yi do pau me na ga me vi ye a sho wrestling a fei ti le ja ka vi me so ka vi so to so a chao ji me so to so a chao ji so fa jo ta ne vi le so jo le me ngai ha dao zhe me lo ne a fu vi bu do me so zhao din da lo a zhao vi a la vi lo a fu he ya po de we so va de ne a zhao me dao le a lai me dao le ja bu ma a sa me li ju re a sa me li di re ku la ra jo a fu me ya so to so fu to bi no zhao lo le football a train me volleyball a train me basketball a train me nya to me ja hi ya pu to me ja hi ya tu a var me te fe de le ne zo de velera zo ne fa se de fa tarikia cha ko de so asa sa wa mu kom na pi ya wa pi fa yo ji ku me ne so su mom tie bo sem sim tie bo ara ro so zo pi so tra lo re ya ji ku me tra lo de pa bia aka bo bo va aka va to la aka zo to la tra to la pi le free break jo zo duri ya vi she yu zo duri vi she yu vi she re ina mo na zo duri te pra zo duri ke ta la tre hai ne pa e fe ta la tre ya kilometer li tu to we se da khu me ko za ko e fe ko a ta ha a tu vi pa ma ta me na tu vi pa me na tu vi zo ve se mo bi na to lo le ya ye jim lao pa no wa a ji pa ye ha ye ha zo da pa la bu ma have the mem so le chi pa pa na pa tree me li de pra ne pong vi ma bo pa zo zo pa te pa la ba tai bu da we pa no sia bu ma ne dang tin no ta bu ma je pa te nya kha re ne dang a te pa pa mo vi ne yam choi ma ja ba le re de ne ta lo re praise the Lord may the faith Jehovah ba sha bi so so jo je chi za ba ya pa wi ti le ve de hi ali cheta ma je ta mo zo ne mi hi ma ta de kha mpo re ra mo ngo re ra ro the bi mi hi mo ya khai pu ta de ja a zo tao mi nya zo ba le ja ma ne chi ma to ve lo ma to hi je vu pa ma ta ma la ram de me na yud me na to from vili put to from vili and the di provision of atore so what the ne chi ma to so lo so ma so ko a tre me tre ko da so mo do so si ko so ko ne to no hi ve lo bu yu hi to pa ma ta fe pu me to pa ma ta naga council me to ra ji fe to ni to pom ta so khwe bu de bra pa ma ta naga council ni ji to so ge se va ko khwe bu de bra yi ji ba yi pu me to ni pa ma ta naga council yi to pu me yi to khwe bu leader me de re ho de ku che pi le ya ji ha bu so da fe vu we so va de ne ve lo bu ju yi to pa ma ta naga council me to ve to ha ve to kali me to ma je bu e pa we there's an assembly chairman speaker ala assembly secretary ve to ma cha ha ko ha ni nya de ku che fe bi no tra lo le ya yi pom ta me vi a du me to so chu ki yi to khum so pa ma ta me ra ha ve lo yi me te pe um dong khum so me to ne câu ya ko le ta ya to le bu ya bu le to ya to le to se ya yi to so hum to chhe bu so pa ma ta na ga kom sil chhe le then pa ma ta na ga kom sil fe bu yu yo yi to chairman so no ka pa ne vi kalit me do ve tre bu ho ve tre ma bu sa ve tre bu yo no to lo ve ma ne ta ko ra ne na ko fe pra ho bu ko fe be ro na zo tai bu hin no pa ma ta fe pu se bu hin a so te so pa ma ta hin bu jo revenue village me do revenue village chairman secretary me do ra ku che bi le a te so union ya bu yo tum gam union chairman secretary saranama union chairman secretary phuba union chairman secretary ala revenue chairman secretary me to fa ko nya de ku che jira ba pa ko ne da za ki ki jira ba leader so le ya ko so pa pa we ne ta ko jira ba pa bi ko to lo le ya ji ne ta zo pa we a de za pa ma ta na te me da zo ngo mo bu ha pa ma ta na te me mo ne da vi kalit me da ne da office ber me da ko nya de ko che bi to lo le speaker ala secretary eso tiene people re me la bu na zo ti le nya ha re so zone pe tari ke cha ko ti bu hi re o ta a zo这比别个点考了，是吧？的你到依然就去报钞票也是那么说，哈不的比别个点考了些，你就去报钞票，这别人买到，帮我的公司买到，你别人我的呢，啊不买到，啊比里头买别人，然后一直在啊啥产品都找落来呀，也为了买些口味包的店开始来，找落来。
Jivu jitawai, no sepuju puja, putupu waduram punyu. Pomatahi ngurubo puju chairman secretaries maitao. Chairman secretaries maitao. Saranamai union chairman secretary, Tungam union chairman secretary, Alia Phuba union chairman secretary, union hametoma aswa. Punu lisi jahinu, nimto kwa jupli jah, jajah kwa fepujuvanu. nhà tí thì chế bây giờ lấy xong nhưng mà tao đại chỉ bút sao chứ giờ cả bé phụ bên kia rồi Saranamai Union Saranamai Village Saranamai Khaiko Saranamai Rakutao Tungam Union Tungam Kulen Tungam Efe Tungam Makofe Pomota Center Lie Kulen Lie Chilao Tunjoy Rikupumai Tungjoy Puba Union Puba Kuman Puba Thapam Maiba Village Maiba Vofe Chu Chairman Secretaries mai tàu chứ giờ cả nhưng mà tàu nhà follow nó đây phía câu mà hay bulan nhưng mà tàu photo session ali itu tàu với chief host phụ qua photo session ali vui sulit so ni chu sahabat buju Chairman Secretaries mai tàu alia Pomata Women Union Chairman Secretary Assembly Affairs Chairman Assembly Affairs với Speaker alia Secretary te ko Pomata Naga Council với President alia pu với Executive Colleagues mai tàu Assembly his Speaker alia Secretary về lo bu buju mai tàu ni chứ giờ cả tháp hola taba na hane fola ni nim tàu ni bu hi ko ma ne ai ni line sula photo session ali bu su le yeso ne shaba bu buju mai tàu chứ giờ cả tháp hoa taba bu mai pe hao dong hi ba so ni tháp ho bu chứ giờ cả ngu tarali với Chairman Secretary chuku ba buju mai tarali na hai velo ma bu na 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 ju ja ta ko reception bu din ko na hane fo bun ka lo lai
Tralo shode ido ja uba juram mai hapai no sujuma ale mai sukha no sujuma ale tralo we ido pau mai te de shwe no hai va ha to ngilo ma pai no shob ju hai ngola ava shwa rama pa sha pai su tyo cholo zulu aveli trilo so le no to pai Paiva Ramai music educator hino kaluso la hana tse diloza sopujuchi exhortation tsa khoju sepuna Dr. V. Alexander Paul ito pomai te hino one of the tallest leaders among the pomais. We are very fortunate to have him. Punuchi triluja nesula lu vehanesu tse diloza ito janu telena ta ko pola la
ji chu lu so lai tai tong you le shi we lo de lo na original le release mi ye ne fe pu ne theu zer ke mai ne ne la shi mai ta we tai la bu chi nu tai hi lo mo chi nu ne la shi ju pa ngolo ye so ngolo de
Ino loso dikho Honorable MLA 48 SC Chief Guest Itawe Anniversary Week Mr. President Pomata Student Union and his colleagues Javo 75-year celebration come 40th sports meeting will lobuju lead the machine lai mutai suyu telhana he jia chuko has o ju telpevan kal sode either way kon hai darkar shoe human being social being than boy ji mar sho ju hai mai me so ju ale live dau ju hai so that so you jam jai por nengo pa ju du hai mai phong le so zaman to so mo yu boy 1950 hinu hold on Yabu tela por nengo pa ju no han hai ka ka takulo e du ido malili tsola ha bukhe boy Pomata Student Union Madanu. Pumatwe motto here, Rogadu, wait in peace, the Rogade. Pumatwe, Yavu, Team Hananu, honoring the past, embracing the future, the highway. High Chico to high support of the Bobble. 1968-69 ji Pomta High School ne lar doa so ba yu fe boy reji jo po tungam student union ne no le na hai ve ji ve yo high school na ai chin so ve do 1968 porai ngozo hai ju porai ngotel development hai ku solo mo de da ji choloi Malago, hustle, Lada de Genu gay hustle de Poma Moy. Paula, Maula, Sokedi, Rolo Sokedi, Rolo Sokedi, 10% literate the Poma Popsubade. Anu, development here could you tell here? Either way, could you tell here? Ketimuya Lobude. 1992, ye MA Pasul Subuchi. Ye Pontana here, MA Soluju, my no, Aru here. Pomachi, my Aru, and never. Either tells them Momelco, right shoulder in my low way. Joe, Chicali here, matriculate Kajoe, postgraduate Kajoe, graduate Kajoe, the total here, family member wishing postgraduate. BA Pasocology, MA Pasocology, Doctor Soluju, Engineer Soluju, Pilcade. Divanu, so you Pilcabua doesn't do so put him on the head and you don't tell what you telling here. There are many reasons are low way. That is Choloy. Wait in peace. Hapuso Tolanu, Zoso Tolanu. Federal Soda Dolanu, Coaches Soda Dolanu, Nozolo, Dola Majunu, Dola Majunu, Taco. So Dolanu, Effort Lolanu, Coachy Lolanu, Taco, so do you do it? Hali, go Sola Junu, Nalu Lejunu, Velo Lejunu, Taco, dinner is a Pomatas to Union way. Motoy. Why show you Motoy? There's opposite of team and honoring the past. The lot of you was over toy, the lot of you man toy, the lot of you pupom toy. Few shots circular. Embracing the future. Takula Nguzolo, Takula, Pikakala here, Alilila Silla, Basila, Pula, Memula. Tako. And Vasha, Moto, Vasha, I took it. And you don't know Taco, but you pick up Moto, Tom, you are lovely. I tell Pocale, you need to Pocamoy. You don't mature like Moto Jumode, Topina Jumode, Topina Juma chip over there, Motona Juma chip over there, Team na Juma, you don't pick up over there, ye Ponoli way. Rajicho, 60, 70 years back. Pumato, mobilization, so you're waiting Pomata. 6 villages say, take a chili low the boy. You hear Jaji take the high low. Say, 2 weeks, Hapta Hali, take a chica low the boy, Pomata mobilization, so with you. Within half an hour, by the Dalini mobilization, so tell us that you will hear Minnesota, cheaper telephone chat here. Rajujo, Karavimoy, mobile high, laptop high, TV high. Pomada High School, the junior high school, Lisoe. Jo Naman to Sumo there. Pomda High School, so near Jama, wish so there. Kuma show wish so much in bed, just away. Pomda High School, Jitasho there. Hanu Cooperative Society, we Likanu, Zamatonu, that Vinu, Marami, Hope, all day, high favorite dates of the boy, Pomatana, Pomana, you don't tell them moment ago. National Highway with the home of the sort of the Jamone, what do you know? Facility we put it. And now Halamoto, Hanover Trophy, Jingoy, Sugar, Ducane, Shadipre, Cooperative Society, Pomatawe, Lem Nahino, Shahai, Sassanipoy, Ducane, Sangure, Society, and Dolly Pay, and Jupia, the whole Pomata population of Vaca de la. Those who are Jo, that's what I did you telling here, Pomata my toy, Pom my toy. Spear how would you, had Nagaland Buju, Kazakino, Tatomai could have a short away, trophy. Pomada high school put the piano, lot of Duma Savio. The Poga, New Madden, a lot of Duma Savia, Pomada high school, and my low Pilca, the Villardo. So they did a post shallow there. Honor in the past. You don't put Pomada, Logitong surviving the only surviving than you don't put the whole high school lie. Some of the Ramagan Kusho to kill Puji Sao, Torao de Moy. Anna, how about the whole sugar W? Pomata, Pomana, Momana, Sipumaramna. A little travel till they depose development how fast should they be. You know, let's go together with the race. They depose you came back. Go out to let's say that. How should we have here? Go Babuja, how should I? Javila told you, do you put the crucial you? Puma does you dog the crucial the more. Puna see the sun, crucial with Muyama. Puma don't know how she was when Juji on you, Picalia. Lohot on the whole students go bell on you, so fitted to the we are honoring them. You know the Puma crucial to QA. John Ozala here. Everyone is a graduate. Everyone is literate, educated. Engineer, doctor, the Pilcade. You don't know Nagam society, Poma society, Shipoma society. My Lino hospital development of Solway. My son Colonu, Basula, a lily colonu. You know, European country, Western country, my fair Puma, Nama, a lily core, Hasway. You know, large Muma Hore. La chica mahore, bass or shaw, a lily paper, gallo de thank you. Sade de poshoy. And I had it or such a little here. Legit on my hot gallo bonu, a little corner of gallo de the podinu, a lily sodinu, exhortation that Tawadi, a lily sodinu, a lily pot you, a lily pouches for you, a lily shoot for you has a much solo dash show by my. You must show line. Alino ali sabay nino like chili kin lashul hoy. Jingi buma, tauza buma, chili fede, da buke buma, ni laliki la vale bulamo. Vagay munu, la jaga bale. My society is so show you, sure kona de piano. Someone is the malina kamuyama, ne kamude, zochichi mani poshi manu. Teuna, Zerena, Tuna, Puna, Sana. Nevetina, what should they? And I didn't think you put a village and a lily subway in it. Devon development village, they so kello village, you Devon. Politician my pokai, leaders my pokai. That day lily pokai. I you know, punk or Rodova nobody. A lily so you know, darkest show day. You don't start the coy. You don't from boy. Put you not calipo, a leopard, you put tail honey. Put tail here, you know, more constituency, money, halls and a petty distinct here, more tribal areas here, development, a low subway, put solid dish of development, low subway. Have you know, at least subway in you? Near the parlor list of murder, Nilla live at him murder, my little live at him murder, Paul Shia, tell me Paul She, Paul, there you have the last of cattle, Moshe. How's them better? You, Pomatana! 6 villages down here to go Bupol to New Tolly Bude. You know, Marada the Rango Village, my care house village, high playground of Bupulse. Pura Nango Noi, Pura Dachina, Koitornamede, my expectation came day. I told my organizing committee, blame soil come there. They don't malily, la, chef, la, blame soil darkade. Oh, yeah, so the feather some did that. You hustle the day, I will hustle and my so cool and here could tell them there. I will hustle you, I will sing it for you, do Kaibuna, la him over there, my sojourner, both people in there, Chulan, you know, such a good in you. You, Taiwan, do you come to take your take the way? In the Ponye, you don't know mobile for you, memory high. 80-90% Taiwan country is so it is to say. Dubai country, so you say, point country Dubai. Nigeria, Himanivia, you don't mobile so. Dubai country tidak pada kaso develop soleh dah pau teling ni mato kaso lara vilo leader vipio development venolo za Nigeria za chingi lawe vausho mineral crop so sanarakan phu khawe ni mato leader vai movan develop sol hoye dah pau so ye do leader sa bu mato shie dah pau yu moe ana leader mato za felano alili losia alili chavila thanu alini kyau dula he alini bola pa hana bola pa lo da hana nu voi lo bele hana nu haksa dula je awzanu our text lo bele cho mane alili lo sia ra khona nu jo khoro nu voi ba la re alili li lai je da po bu sanu ye to alili kyu so so kyu dinu religious leaders mato social leaders national movement leaders student leaders politicians political leaders mà sao lại có lo bà sa bà chỉ đó vắt sâu dưới dark guy, giờ wo phụ nhân nên ngồi nói sự nữa, chỉ đó khai gì đó, hình gì đó đáp bài được lo, chỉ đó hai về lâu mà tay đó, chỉ đó không vấn đề đó, chỗ đi như thế, cho nên đây là rất bổ đây là hiện bảo là ra lão phụ họ đấy, theo dân mà tôi đấy, chỉ đó hai về chú, phụ nhân nên ngồi rồi, số biểu bài bút mà tôi, cứu sao tôi cứu lại chứ. ye ngomzo la ta ko le he alile baba alile sa ni so mona za alihe ne ni so na za anye po la ne la likhe khai mane alile phe phe ne ale ko te khete lo za pau shi so ye po sha chin ye ha ju dar ka bude ye khali so le de ti li dar ka vetel mo wan bu ba de na za si po mo ram na za ma so so po mo mo na za likhe ba ne pau shi mane bao nữa, alili tay bầu phải à, alili sập phải à, mà sao lại như pa, vậy số điều số cái thì được rồi, ý đó tới đi phá hay rồi, mà giờ này nếu mà nữa, ý đó bao mà tới đi, si bao mà làm tới đi, naga mà tới đi, nếu mà làm mà nếu sạc vậy đó, alo bui, China tới đi, bắt tới liền, Singapore bắt tới liền, mà tới đi bắt tới liền, bao mà giờ số hạ suy, tại vì cái đó số tầm mà chưa tao phải phát sinh vậy, ý đó nữa, mình ngồi chỉ đi đến số cái you do not know the value time and so that either zaba emile if you are rich enough nimato tuling sholo my sholo city sholo builder sholo can you buy the precious time and sholo that either zai tailor the jito pova sholo ma either poki sabula shona zo jiko kabula na shapa renew shona tailor pokalo de Joshua, you don't tell a chop pokalo de, you don't get rid of one other pokalo de, you don't pay with you, you don't that way to learn. Go Nulano, dear Wallace, Nino tell you, my lily, dear one other, you don't, my soul, like you know, society, take the june, Puman as you know, Mam, Pum my moment as you know, Naga Marshal, like you know, if you such a pulano, Kelzer Matore, Tavelo Marshal, and go Nulano. Goes a take a police. Alele como so much pobre the pillar machine, Paushil machine. Nete go so to the Paushi, there was a lushy could move on by the either Johnny she. Then you tell them at the Taylor, the daily pay one cal so there, Marshal, a co no dear line, Vassal, either soul will lie. Mine depends on lots of the feathers, so many mind it was so kick could go. So calum no ma so cap in the ma so cat a way. Near I that here, my so canale. Near I that till the Necotiloto, my hair co, my hair paw, so capo, so the little halta, less suchel, macayubule, my so calubule, you know, so lily, ramani puff, cat calubule, you Chico has a boy hanker sule, so that kai sport with the piano, Nimata Velo of Wima, Satan, humbly accept to law. If we got that, help us on a young other do so. How do you defeat time gracefully? Now say that the owner of the Vimima, Natina Jopula, you don't Jevil, you don't need champion of Mama, you don't Jevina, discipline winner, minus the paladin, Cholani, growing here Jevilo, Zova you, Shava you, complaints you, do you a labu cat, man, Dornamina, we are so to low, do you, Sudan? Student my soul, we saw a yellow student. Thank you.
tralo shode tele zubu winu chia vimlo sonu povin tralo shode chia to li ha masa no bwe ana chizubu ma tsutrebe di lu tsewe zavu chairperson su ne ha de khi hasu sa da namito no motso bala chia pobu be ha sho to pimo da bule ana program hi lu jo so sho bu te vea tele ha pu mo so mo namito no bhapta pele zavile jo hai cultural khuma cultural trophy no pai po mai lu ali trailer so le te cho hi hai ito chief guest sidupu ito jalo so dekho pu tele pu ju so le introduction so dar kam ju ma ali be tsatre de be pun development de jo so pe de ito no tsoe ito pomata ito pomachi mamachi ju le zo football ground hata hai malo so no punu so ba khata no pu ha sports academy ran so hane tsasu shuju ma ali ito no tsobe he is one of the most used MLAs in Manipur hello taju program do taisuma ku bkha viju MLA le one of the most humble MLAs in Manipur a people's MLA then ko we are so fortunate to have him in our midst. We will give him time right after this Khmer cultural troupe. You can make use of the time. No, the rest of the time is yours. Jo tele poito e someone to short to the jo tele buto hai ito chief guest with tele dinamam suna sabelu zovila suna cho ito janu chipo tse lose a vote of thanks tele khada pojo ne sule so cho hi hai pae po zaido cultural dance to enjoy youth and students organization met not telena musho popular zovila
My dear PTMP President and his colleagues, I'm so glad to be here this wonderful celebration occasion. First of all, I want to apologize myself. I know that this Jubilee is going to be celebrated. I have been informed and discussed with you also, but I'm sorry to say that I did not confirm the date of this particular day. I have a plan to go to Nagaland and then 2-3 programs. So only on the way I came to know that the date was fixed today. So I did not have time to dress coat, suited, booted, so I'm coming in this manner, so forgive me. So what there, PTMP, very, very well done. The congratulations, to 75 years of celebration of PTMP existence. So much from A to Z, what I have been observing from morning till now, so much was not really congratulations. From the food arrangement, so many of us avoided, though it is a very, very wonderful and delicious food prepared by you. And the program, the stage, and the whole arrangement. It is one of the best stage I have ever seen in our students' organizations. It is better, much better than NSF arrangement. So much there. But it is very, very well done. So Ida the moderator no, our chairperson no. Chip pelem to the pelo. Peble, not pemuzlo warning pedo. Ayen, you know, pegani peo. To pena warning apie wedo. So I am not going to speak alone. Either former speaker no chikaipa ajpere. What more can I say? Pepe pudo hatizuno do. You know na as a chief guest, neither the MLA galiso, neither Jeremy galiso, neither Pom galiso, vu log was no. I paj pelemo ano. Opak hoches for. Due to time constraint, I'm going to end up my speech in introduction of our leaders present here today. Duno ida mo inta mo hiwa ko suhi mamoite sumaite. Arrangements you have purposely planned. The chairperson, ida the chairperson so ko do vuna he. Normally in this kind of occasion, student senior but you have chosen the right person and the best chairperson, Dr. Paherdo. In the Masule, you know him, that's why you have chosen him. He's one of the famous theologian in our region. College, Bible College, he's a very good speaker, very dedicated. His integrity is respected by people, and he came very humbly to be your chairperson today for this particular program. We must appreciate him for being here this particular day. So, idamui program ngai tesu mujunie, and then our guest of honor. He is also one of the the tallest leader in our society. College, one of the biggest college, one of the first college in our district. Thousands of people got educated. So buedo. Not only that, he has contributed so much for our society. Mupa ajo biredo, mupa ajo masano dar mudopio college pano kado graduate solo, totally solo buedo, vuka inyo do buedo. Not only that, ojo come here, MLA solero, MLA soy. He was successful in all the way. All the works that he initiated, he participated. So MLSO for the people to MLSO, resign as well. So he's such a person. Today also, ito ay tamu huli vuwa ko logbu kapihi ita mo duno rakuite appreciate ay. Atesa ita mo huli joy vo kusanya pa ajibure mo to pes address to ha na. Ida mo chief host. Ida mo host kapi uja joram. Very humble by nature. Jong for pe ice vo as ovu so bwe totally so bwe ana avu successful mavu ka dewe ana I am still here to support you. Ida no lumui ita mo dunuro for vudo heno pe wedo. For I know personally ano uja joram personally, I know Leo observe so as a political colleague. So I observe so tata wedo. Ijo politics he muna totally blessing bue. There are a lot of politicians successful morally. They are frustrated. They get drunk and they misbehave and they work against the opponents all the time. Politician mupa just as vuta mai. But in the life of our leader, Uja Joram, I have not seen him like that. He is still committed. He wants to work more and more. Never give up. I admire his dedication. Ijo fun hivo vu ita mu hivo ulde no sopi. This kore so krimo he is still working without rest. I says, even seeing his family. His brother is one of the famous preacher and religious leader in our society. His brothers, who has been contributing so much for our nation, sesoda namue malgo maramajimo soto torogu mujuniedo. You know, ajizno ahi political tiwa go election contest where he is much stronger than me. His integrity is much stronger than me. I appreciate so niedo. Fonope Sivo hivo chu hivo takware tope, but I am sure God, once he continue to work like this, God will provide him a place one day. Twice wo rami kusho I mucho walita dawe. Duno jo hivo itam huli. Student sume leader mutakali kai lintam vubu lo ni lo ni kumi duno rakuite itu itam huli choa. It is Pino, a young entrepreneur, Nulumi Kali, Zalmon Michael, Toitamujo for him with as chief patron so Vuloy, Idamu Pomuli, Pomunahuli for first of Pewa, Inemi Urso Militia, business of militia, entrepreneurship of militia, what the government service that touch the Sivajo today, the Katermonimuch, Timujolimusa, our land is too small. There is no industry will not come here. Industry that's so hamasa. That's why we have to go out. We have to enter into the multinational this thing setup. Corporate house now we have to start working with Reliance, Tata or Birla, whatever. So here is a young man. Either Nagali Behido, also Choko for the history of free. So now he was so damnation. First time meeting him, first time hearing about his success story. Either don't rakuga igale, Chote, Nilo, Chote, Dunivo, Ramusha people, Junior Bear, Rakuite, you two Miredo, Lonamus, Tesocolido. He was to clean Molecular Monolby, it will be great loss for us. So much was the door. It is now. Either my Rakchizukorakuye, 75 years, Pomata Students Union. Pra Pomata Students Union 1950s and so all the founders will be 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and so now after 75 years, actually though. But we're so fortunate to have for the hair though. Only today I came to know. I heard about him. But 91 years, 91 year, Divan Poijo, dear Herbo was a life to go, was a movement to go, for Capedo to go. Very humble, very clean. Kotoko show discipline. His face, when we look at him, very graceful. It's a big lesson. It's not only blessing what he has given us today. And for the oh, he will Ramusilo, he will discipline you, it's Gaimocholo, Umileshilo, he will Mamumuso Umido. The true lesson that Jelita, as a living example, it has a woman. We're so fortunate today. Uja Kojon, our guest speaker here, or guest of our honored guest. From a very humble family. As a classmate, one point of time, in my Punanami village, he also studied for some time. So Jack Kojon struggled so he struggled a lot from a very humble family that I know. He never gave up. Sure, Musovoso, Tao, electional local, so Musovosole, so Shubu, Umugaligodo. The no Faleco Hervanajo. Either Nulume, Sole pile li was leader solo boy to nahi ida mi jo nye do nahi vo buno kala shua chizna ida mu fuli oja Soko George ida mu pa jun choi ida mu leader mu gali no ja Soko George marshal mo pedo I was shocked ja Soko George lemus ojuta chumani puli juta shomai dar samai do the first Naga who topped the matriculation in Manipur no mama dar samai do ja George ja Soko George ida mem chibuta that's mo pro do and then you just dar samai release engineer sole doctor sole is mai I asked the police modo business also nobody will think of business though no the cream of the society buzz lars might tell us engineer par modo les modo so mutafis George lars might tell manipuli matriculation is top number 1 pare engineer modo le mas that is granted lara modo todo engineer kai solo do so for now he has done all his part successfully, and today he is here as an example, living example for us. Ida mo biyo tsukai po ko shevano nie wedo. Zoda aches oja loher, NG loher ida je PNU je president so, jo UNC is president so. Who is he? A very humble family family. He gave his best. Struggle so most compromise so create more discipline for life history ko liha do. So here, step by step, he has been lifted up. So as the Nagamjali leader, the top highest level for no lead. So he might not have dreamed. Now Ramuno for his dedication, for no commitment, for his simplicity. So was no zipo. It also we itamu jo vubwe. This no where he come to fear this no where. Some might have this no where. Pomata, Muhino Pramido, in the Mujoko might there. Sibis no, either Jo no Lumufuli. Vio, our brother in law, Vio among the scholars, either Nagamtuli, Ujuta show, respectable Tebu, no Lumugaligodo. University no, Delhi University no, associate professor so, very committed, very dedicated, very handsome also. When you took Moduma, might tell them, Memphel no for the Palamo, Lemajo, you lost that. So, Sevap Tamosa, Sevasumutali Wado, Jo in the Mivo Vubue, Calote, Yokai Lijo, Itami, Pajubamu Pajube. I cannot address all of you, but we have few leaders here today present to support you and to show their life, what they have gone through. The Nulmubano. 75 years celebration. See, we are the one. We are the leaders. We have reached this far. Let us celebrate together. Only celebrating, only this in plain, and then when there is no vision, there is no point. So then he come to Toli, Vubu Bure. Ano Kapesvo today, all the speeches. As a former speaker, Machipa might tell you, I have nothing to say, but now we are celebrating 75 years. 75 years, this whole way. Either Pomata students in this whole way. This will be that you have to see. You have to count that. Count the blessings. So, Alexander Poidami, Adicho Sodore, in any field. This far we have done. Do. So really, now another 25 years, 100 years project, we will celebrate. Here this time we did it in Tungam. Next year we'll do it in Tunjoy. We'll have bigger hall. We'll have this. We'll bring this big sound system. No. In the most 25 years, you all students who are now here, you all will remain. But that time, in 75 years, what are you going to do? PTM peace, you must have a vision. After 25 years from now, inda mui kakri pula ma. You'll have more unity. You'll have more respect to your leaders. You'll have more unity among your neighbors. The Mau, Maram, Thangal, whatsoever, Chakasan, or whatsoever. Kakriyo helama. In the Chisnana po kakriya helama. In the Mitsu, it's mutuar pulama, or ramutopulama, uvuga isupulama. You must have that vision to Pemore. So today, you have a lot of important, successful, prominent leaders here in our midst today. After 25 years, how much you are expecting? How many politicians, how many entrepreneurs, how many civil servants, how many businessmen, how many people, how many achievers will be there in 25 years? Otherwise, celebration so this will. Now, from 25 onwards, we must have 25 IS from Pomata community. We must have 25 MCS officers. We must have 25 MPS officers. We must have 25 entrepreneurs like Brother Michael. We must have good businessmen, good contractors, clean contractors. 25 people of different this thing. So you are going to play this time. Sports ko kuda. Then what is the meaning of playing today? I know that you have a vision, but by 25 years onwards from now, in the next PTM Golden Jubilee, the centenary, you must dream to bring 25 ISL play in the next PTM P sports. You must try to dream, you must dream to bring 25 state players from Manipur, from these Pomi PTMP villages, union, in many kind of sports, in different kind of sports. Sports is so important today. It's a career, it's a profession, it's a way of life. So what is the use of playing? Why should we spend money for 8 days, 9 days playing here? So please, having such jubilee celebration after 25 years, I have been attending different kind of jubilees, the church, youth, women, lot of things. Many of the organizations, they're busy in making budget for the jubilee, which we don't appreciate. Without vision. So now we started telling. Myself used to sometimes scold our people, scolded our people also. Don't keep your budget priority. Vision should be first. Commitment should be first. Target should be first. So, with these few words, I very, very successful people, leaders are here to respect you, to promote you, to support you. Vous no believe our so be foundation so be now we'll continue with our PTMP continue in life. So by next 25 years, assembly butcher, I believe on the closing day or before, you will surely have assembly such a next time we will have another jubilee. Where do we have? Let us target this much. Let us target this much of entrepreneurs. Let us target this much of officers. Let us target this much of sports person and make this place a wonderful place and progressive community. I have no message to give, but there is lot of progress. By seeing our leaders present here, there is progress. Our people, just now, for the the way they have planned for people, for young people like us, they have witnessed today. I wish today, just depend they come back and see these people. What a change! Change is over there. For the actually, now just depend on I know that they will be seen from heaven, but how much progress is there? So when you progress, people here who are living now, they will see progress. And praise God and also bless all of us, all of you. Once again, it's one of the best Jubilee celebration I have ever attended. So with these few words, I'm so blessed to be here this afternoon. Thank you once again, and God bless all of us. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Information hana hai gari mupomai alto silver color alia S cross blue color S cross gari number MN01AS3043 alia alto MN06 LB5157 gari mpo hana hai ni choluna na thala so ni have gari ta ko info paksu po Churi ta we next machine ta ko cultural dance troupe mai ta nu tin ta ba telephone le te ba ju ja ja ka gari chu sha ba bu jun gari mpo na hai ni thala sa chu minute ali hinu sai chu bo ya ni hai sha ba so ni bo
Molu sila vanu gift presentation te le paisu le ra kola mai to paisu le te so hi COC mai to no te le na polo zo vele tha sho vunu te li ta ba po le tra lo le
Trolore moderator Tilipi Vane. Ito Committee of Local Arrangement Vijahine. Ito Chief Patron Sepiabuju. Zaman Michael, the first perma entrepreneur in FMB, FMCG, and tech startup, founder by Stroke Lightopia, Bangalore. Ito Zaman Mako, Nijum Jabun, Profabin Trolola, Kolama Vijay, Pive. Trolore.
Chu COC Vijayno, Tashu, Telino, give and presentation Tidil Pesole, Jehu, Jidawi, Nahana here, Guano, Babu Kabuya Jito, Shahino, Pushahinu, Babu Kabuya Jito, Pomota, Lishiano, Pumudano, Itawe, so Kabuye, Pumuda we have, Jito, Wisole, Pumuda, Velulo Moshima, Kitama, Tara, my Buru, Nimadoni Jiva, Telesohama, Pop in the Kalole. Alright, Kaisano, Jehu, Jidawi. 40th Sports Meet 2025 we football first prize sana hai Thanupuye the loser B Isaac from Liai pu dagi busa pu vemo shima pu we sama khamai theuchi namali ma pa pu bin kalolai B Isaac from Liai Jidao convener Ilian is and Papa Bell, Automule, Tapuga. Next, Tasha, that was next goal patrons in Labuju, Mother KP Ngopuna Kingao, KP Ngopuna Kingao. Bahasa KP ngapuna kingau ไม่สนุกปัตตาบุเลยแค่ Next, Shea Tessa and family. Shea Tessa and family. Shea Tessa and family. So Tessa Nilde Apau. Nilde Apau. Shea Tessa. Shea Tessa and family. Punu ida tako dogi sa veda nu pu livi vai vashui vamu buba ida lishi jahinu pun ai program ya velole anime do jini sa babo so khapule da lishi shop in colore so there's a Philemon Savio hi the loser next silver patron so he Shelly PH so then Mashonahi LS Tesho Shelly PH LS Tesho Dr. LD Shepui Mashonahi LS Tesho Dr. LD Shepui Ito teleso hapoy mo mashavelo mo sinma kita mo don papu pun kalole adai che nahi e thio pau samai adai che nahi e thio pau samai so there's a am dasher e thio pau samai so there's a am dasher with a Partner Ilaikim. And I hear to pause my. So there's a Partner Ilaikim. AM Dasher with Partner Ilaikim. Partner Ilaikim we Dr. Dako Apau. So there's a Dr. Dako Apau here, P. Joram Rakovio. P. Joram Rakovio here, Isaac Dacha. P. Joram Rakovio थे Isaac Dacha. जो जिधर में नहीं मतलब शुआ गैस में तो तवेलु जिधर प्रोग्रामिंग वेजा जो भी निकालो रे रे कैसा नु जिधर नु acknowledge सुनना बुझे है Juno Joseph Duku वो है जो किलोंसर CNR Central National Revenue Ato Kilonser, PMO Office, NSCN, GPR Shanavati. And I Joseph Duku. Kunu, Jito program here, Kwa Velu, Jajawin, College sir. Mashohi Soko George, the President, Naga Christian Forum, Manipur. Soko George, President, Naga Christian Forum, Manipur. So now we must show here D. Dailuru, former President, Senapati District Women's Association. D. Dailuru, former President, SDWA. Jito melehi tavelo lubuju Pamata Naga Council, Pamata Notumeme ala PNTM we executive colleagues medo nimado dadagi musa jivanu laboyo jidonu nimado nakwa ache titi tega
nako ache pina boy pomta naga council pomta na dumai me la PNTM pumai naga cha dumai me pumda wi executive ma do dadegin busa nim don ju vanu ta shu la boya buin la boya ji do reception ni person pui su le ju jini pui hai khai ba ka lo
First session program to akhahi kuju sure zo ito program hi we chi pop bju lusu pabju donor so pabju student me to junu nal me junu da zum chu so we lo bju zo ha so buma holo no we lo pabju mem te hai ne me to tal so da ne me to in poe mo lo shi live no first session ne je de lo zo me to le chi kha la ramai ba la chu chibu zubu hi hai ko na to da khai vi lo de hana name to hi po name to vi presence hana talo so de name to vi hai vi lo pe ba no ito program hana ve so lo idine zubu da ino khai me to hi pom ngon bo cholo za tunjoy youth and students organization hino pa po zaido cultural dance hana ito ga ju try de lo o chikhala ma khai so le so choi ito tea break boy te choi tea break boy dilo zai ta way second session after break hane khadu busule cholo za dechinu sudanu ito tunjoy youth and students organization metawi pai pomavi zai do culture dance hane akanu ju thai lo so le chalo
Chu tunjoy youth and students organization ma dono pai pau je do so le hai ta we stage ha hi ti de inconvenience bu de ba ti ta we hall entrance ni su yu su le so ne chu ta we kola ma to la PNGMP executive ma to ni ta we ju share du su bu ju la za khu ju shipuna ye ju guest ma to sa hall entrance sa bu na ka lo le Hello villa buju units are road out ni me to we ku khe we khavu ration so hai pha we su lai su ni la team hi la ngu youth mai tao managers mai tao ala coach mai tao ni information hane so la ta ve so da yu bu ni me to we khavu ration hai fu bu na ka lo la ya sha ba se ni me to we so chu so da yu mai tao ni pa yu su lai ration so ni tha la so pa hene cho no chu unit c managers ala coach mai tao ni information hane so ni ju ja ko ti le hin fu bo ya sha ba so ni bo chu tunjoy youth and students organization mai tao ni pai po je do voi synopsis of the cultural dance dotili chobai sulai the dance to be performed by the Tunjoy Youth and Students Organization is a unique fusion of two traditional VMI dances, Asado, the dance of merriment, and Rido, the dance of war and victory. This fusion beautifully blends the artful and dexterous footwork of Asado with the skilled offensive and defensive movement of Rido, symbolizing both the celebration and valor of the Tunjoy VMI culture. Asado, the central inspiration of this performance, was traditionally performed during the Feast of Merit, a celebration symbolizing abundance, generosity, and communal joy. In ancient times, it was performed on festive occasions such as grand feast hosted for reunion between villages, banquets offered by wealthy individuals to the entire community, celebration held by in-laws and Thanksgiving events marking successful paddy cultivation and harvest. During this occasion, the villagers gathered in their finest traditional attire, joining in jubilant expression. The dance embodied overflowing happiness, prosperity, and unity as young men and women rejoiced together in gratitude and festivity. Demanding both agility and endurance, Asado beautifully showcased the harmonious blend of artistry, strength, and nimble footwork. This performance stands as a tribute to the rich cultural heritage of our forefathers, a living expression of the VMI people's history, identity, and indomitable spirit. In continued honor of this legacy, the community observes the VMI Tite festival every year on January 4th and 5th to celebrate and preserve this treasured tradition. Synopsis.
Appropriate. His
Talo enjoy